School kids here in the North Country got a hands-on lesson in how to protect pollinators in the Adirondacks. 8th graders at the Boquet Valley Central School District in Elizabethtown stepped out of their classroom this past week and into the garden.
Okay, grab some gloves.
These 8th graders have been learning about the benefits of pollinator plants and the insects they help, like monarch butterflies. And now they're learning how they can help too by installing a pollinator garden right outside their classroom here on school grounds.
I'm really interested in gardening and the environment, and I want to learn more about it.
Sawyer Cressup is with ADKAction, the nonprofit group that helped organize the project.
We're just seeing more and more that it's youth who want to be advocates for pollinators and for a balanced environment here in the Adirondacks.
This past week, the students went to work, digging up the grass
so that it doesn't grow back and it doesn't mess up the plants that we plant.
I think this one's ready for some soil.
Then the students covered the space with cardboard and soil before planting the pollinator plants.
Kind of helps bees and other insects pollinate. It's cool. Then more people can learn about it in our school.
We have a whole bunch of different perennials here that are no herbicide, no pesticides. We grew them up from seeds, and there's a variety of different blooms, some that will come up earlier in the season, some that will come up later towards the fall to make sure that pollinators have habitat, food, water, anything they'll need on their longer or shorter migrations throughout the season.
The plants will bloom at different times of the year, so the pollinators will have food, water, and habitat throughout the year, especially during the summer and migration seasons. But some will even overwinter in the garden. ADKAction has helped install 30 pollinator gardens in the Adirondacks. The new garden was inspired and funded by Olivia and Victoria, two sisters from Saratoga Springs who spend their summers on Lincoln Pond in the Adirondacks. And for 2 of those summers, the girls raised $600 selling lemonade and donated every penny to ADKAction to help construct this garden in Elizabethtown to save pollinators.
And they wanted to make sure that it was nearby for everyone to enjoy. So we're absolutely thrilled that here at the school they decided that they would be willing to take on the ongoing care and maintenance of a pollinator garden, because I can't think of anything better than youth that are living here over the summer doing something that helps benefit youth that live here year-round. And I think it's just tremendous.
And while it may be late in the year to start, the garden will grow until the first hard frost. And then next spring, these students hope the flowers will bloom and offer a chance for the next generation to save the next generation of pollinators.
Pollinators definitely come alive when you can smell the mountain mint as opposed to just seeing something in a textbook. So we're hopeful that this really piques people's interest.